I'm a lifeguard. The water is great. You should come in. The water park is the best.
Does your dog love the water? Well, mine hates it. So I created the world's best, or at least the best I could do, backyard water park. And we're gonna be testing out different types of water toys to see if Chanel gives them a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Feel free to let me know down below in the comments other types of fun videos that we should try in the future. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Open up that water park.
What's that? What is
Nene.
that? What is that?
Ah, someone is scared of the water. Get in there, Nene.
Come on.
Be brave.
No.
Dude, go be brave, man.
Come on. Get in there.
We're going to the water park.
What? Go get in there. Get in there. Come on. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in the water. Hey.
Don't be just licking it.
Stop drinking the water. What's this? Come on, push. Come on.
It's like bringing a cow to water, Nene.
She's like a
You are the cow.
Chanel.
Look how she crawls quietly to the watering pool in order to drink before being attacked by the wild. No, I'm just kidding. What do you mean you don't want to get in the pool? Why did I pay for you to come to the water park? That doesn't mean anything. You're a quitter, chicken quitter. You're scared of the water. Now I know your secrets. I will exploit them. Water park lady, what are we doing next?
We're getting the water mat.
Ah,
I'm like,
Durka mat, Nene.
look at all the toys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Come on. Get it. Yeah. I know. Keeps getting in my ear. Oh yeah. Whoa. Get. Should we get in? Get in? Should we open? Look. Should we open? Chanel, you should try it. Come on. You should try it. Oh. It's okay. I didn't. Alright, let's try something different then. You ready? You want it? You want it? Wow, careful. No running at the water park, Nene. Oh dear, she beat me to it. Give it to me. Give it to me. I just have to move it. Come on. Come on.
Oh, Jesus.
You gotta help me. It's not helpful.
Chanel, who are you fighting? Demons?
Oh, turn it on. Whoa! Wait. Come on, Nene. Chanel, get in there.
Helicopter of justice, Nene.
What the heck is that? I didn't. Wait till you see how this Okay. Hello? Oh my god! I don't know what happened. What's the balance of the ball on it? Oh my goodness, Nene! What the heck was that? Wait! No, give it back! Magic, Nene!
Oh, Nene.
Pose break. Really? Nothing else? Just... That's gross. These are silicone water balloons. Not plastic. Safe. For use. Hey, Chanel. She's gonna bite this to explode in her mouth. Yeah. Oh. So gentle. She broke it. How about this one? Why does it keep breaking? She doesn't understand. For that one. And it broke.
She's like, they all broke it.
Now what about this one? Did you try this one? Okay, so gentle. Oh. What about this one? Oh, right here. Oh, why are you stockpiling them over there? Run it. Oh yeah. Last two. Come on. There it goes. Quit. Whoa. This, there's some left. Whoa. Whoa. Dude, you're cooked. Dude, you're cooked. You're cooked. You'll never stand a chance. Bye. Oh yeah. What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come here. I'm gonna shoot. Give me a reason not to. Oh, okay. Not good enough. Give me another reason. You have kids?
Allie has to get in the pool and it's cold. And Allie's been grinding and she's tired, guys. She puts in for Nene's channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.
I'm quitting. You can come in. The water's great.
So let's try it one more time. Be like, you gotta get in. The
Is it
water's
still
great.
rolling?
Chanel?
Is it still rolling?
Yeah.
Is it still? Ah! Get in the water, Chanel. It's great. Get in the water now. Get in the